everybody, and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. As you can see, we have a helper today, and she is going to model our craft for today. And today's craft is doll casts. So if any of you have ever fallen and broken a bone and you've had to get a cast, well, you know, that could happen to your doll too if we are playing pretend. So she would need a cast if she got hurt. So this doesn't look much like a cast here, because all it is 2 pieces of felt and 6 pieces of Velcro and some hot glue. When we put it on her, it looks much more like a cast. So wait, I cut my hole for the thumb on this side, so this is how we'll do it. So it just goes on like this, and I'm gonna look in the camera because I can't see behind me. And then the Velcro is here. Actually, I'll spin it so I can see it. Okay, so the Velcro is here. And it goes, the little notch for her thumb is right there, and there we go, she's all casted up. So how you make this is you just cut 2 pieces of felt. I believe it was 5 inches by 2 2/4 inches, so 2.75. So I cut my pink piece first. I used a ruler and I cut my pink piece, and then I put the pink piece over the light blue piece and I traced it, and then I cut it out. So you'll notice on your instructions that it says use colored felt and white felt. I didn't have enough white felt for me to do a sample and to give to all of you guys, so I use light blue felt, and if we run out we'll just use a light color and like a brighter color. But then what you do after you get those 2 pieces, you put them together and you hot glue them together, and they'll be a little lumpy like a real cast, so that's kind of fun. And then after you do that, you cut 3 pieces of Velcro, but the way my Velcro is and the way your Velcro and make and take kits are, one side's the soft side and one side's the scratchy side. So I had to cut 6 pieces because we had to use 3 that were the soft felt and 3 that were the scratchy felt. If you Velcro. If you have Velcro that it comes like stuck together and it's in 2 separate pieces, you can just cut 1, 2, 3, and then you'll have 3 pieces of soft and 3 pieces of scratchy. But you'll get 6 pieces if you get a make and take kit. And then what you do, I'm going to take this off of her so I can show you one thing of how you want to glue your Velcro. So you'll want to do 3 pieces of the same kind on one side, and you'll see it's over here. It's to my right over here. Then when you flip it over, you want to do 3 of the other kind on the opposite color and on the opposite side. So you're going to have 1 to the left side, 1 to the right side. Actually, I think I did that backwards. 1 to the left side, 1 to the right side. It doesn't matter which scratchy or soft you put on which side. They just all have to be the same on whichever side you do it. So that way, when you roll it closed, to stay closed, they're on opposite sides. To cut the notch for her thumb, I did that after everything was done, and then I put it on her. And I just took scissors, and there we go. I just took scissors, and where her thumb was, I just cut a slit on one side, cut a slit on the other side, and then I took it off of her and cut just a little like half oval in there. So that's all that there is to this. Doesn't she look stylish? She can be stylish, and because it's felt, if you wanted to, you could even sign her cast or draw a little design on it. But sometimes marker does rub off of felt. So just keep that in mind, but you could decorate it if you wanted to. So that is all that there is to this craft. Hopefully you tried it at home. You come get a make and take kit, and we will see you in the next American Girl Afternoon. Have a great day.